Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we will show you a common problem that can occur on Ford Fiesta with the keyless entry. If you have the one with the keyless entry, MK7, including the ST guys, from that will be the generation from 2008 to 2017. And if it's the one that locks and unlocks with just having the key in the pocket, okay, and opens the trunk as well, even if the car is locked. Okay, you can see lock now. If I have the key, I can open the trunk. But if that doesn't work, a few things that could happen. Dead battery in the remote, or one of the antenna is bad or disconnected for the keyless entry. So you have two keyless entries for that thing. Two keyless entry antennas. Excuse me. So once you remove the center console, we have the video on auto repair guys, and we'll have more than 200 videos, so check out the channel. This is the antenna for the keyless entry, one of them. You can see next to the emergency brake. The next one is in front of the shifter, okay, right here. Again, this is another one. Okay, so if you need to remove this one as well, it's right there. Those are very inexpensive, and most of the time they will fix your problem. But always check the connections, because some people will spill water, drink or anything like that, and it might get right here in the wires. And if it gets in the wires, what could happen is actually lose communication, okay, have a bad communication with the antenna, and as a result not working. So get some spray for the wires, clean them good, install it again and check it out. So we'll have more than 200 videos. If you need anything guys, check out Auto Repair guys and World Mechanics as well. We have videos on both channels, and we'll be taking the whole thing apart very soon. So thank you for watching, please subscribe, and many more videos to come.